It's week 2 of our beginning bronze rumba. Because you guys are so awesome, we kind of like, which is what we want to do. So we started off with a 5th position break, which was slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, and then we did a together, together, so we're back on our rhythm, so we're going to do our forward slow step. From there we did our crossbody lead, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And then from there we did our crossover breaks, also known as New Yorkers for the American Rumba. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. We ended it with an underarm turn for the lady. Gentlemen go into 5th position. Quick, quick, slow. Finishing with a together, together. Thank you, Christina.
Thank you.